All right, welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are making one of these, except this coffee table is going to be for a business. However, I'm taking a little bit of a break uh, and I sanded down my wood bench. I took a picture of before and after, and so now I need to consider how I'm going to finish it. Now, so come down here so I can talk to you a little bit. I did some real quick research and to see what y'all are using out there. And you got folks using polyurethane. That's not going to fly for me. It's just going to scratch up and, well, not look like I want my bench to look like, you know. You can argue with the wood. It's a wood bench. You work on it, you know what I mean? But I think as carpenters and woodworkers, we have a sense of pride in all the wood we have, in presentation and so on and so forth. And so basically, so I saw polyurethane, and somebody recommended tung oil. I have a Forsby tung oil, and this here is a high gloss. I certainly don't want it shining. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to go with the Johnson's paste wax and put that on to protect this. And one of the reasons why I'm not going to go with this guy, then there's another one, tungsten, Watco. Sorry, Watco. Watco also makes a nice finish. But why I'm not going to use these products is because it's going to stink up the wood shop, which is going to go up into my house, and those VOCs, probably not a good idea in the house in the wintertime because I can't really air out. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this paste wax, and we'll see how that goes for me. There's also the idea where you're going to just leave it with no finish on it, and I'm not entirely opposed to that, actually. That way you can clean it up real fast. Oh man, he's using a chisel to open up his paste wax. I'm going to hear about this. All right, so also, again, I don't, not completely opposed to that. So let's put this on here and see the difference that it's going to make. There's going to be a little bit of stink involved here, but not as bad as it would be if it were that other stuff. And look, it's leaving it nice and natural. I like that. So, if time goes by so fast, I think, through the years, and you don't realize what you've done on your bench. You just can see a little bit of the history of what you've done on your bench with the holes, when you're using an awl, for example, and you're slamming some piece of metal down on your wood bench, or you're doing scoring. I got a lot of the scoring marks out, but there you go. There's a great satisfaction with sanding this down. It looks beautiful, my friends. I think I'm going to hear a little bit from the missus about this, but we'll do the best we can. Oh, is that beautiful or what? So, welcome to SC Custom Designs. We have about 600 plus videos now on a variety of subjects, a host of subjects, and we buy tools, and then we'll do reviews. I do the most practical reviews you're going to come across. I like to be real. I also don't mind making mistakes in front of you. So, you'll see me do that in my videos. Whoops, you have to fix that. I think it's a great way to learn. And so there you go. We're working on the super awesome coffee table, and we're literally in the home run now. The next video you see after this one is going to be gluing up the panels that I made between the tapered legs. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. And that's what prompted me to clean this up and get all the glue off of it and so on and so forth, because that glue, you know, unbeknownst to me, was there, and it was marring up my oak. And that just means a lot more sanding in the future, right? Less sanding we have to do. I got a t-shirt that just basically says woodworking. Sand, 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 sand. You're done sanding, sand a little bit more, and then have a beer. So, all right. There you go. Wasn't that beautiful? I know the woodworkers out there are going to really appreciate a video like this. So again, what we decided to go with was Johnson's paste wax, and we'll let that soak in. I'm going to open up the window down here. Let some of that fume out. That's beautiful, my friends. I'll come back and I'll buff that out a little bit later on. Okay, thanks for watching. Come to the shop at AC Cousin Designs. That's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here are the panels. We're going to shut down the video shortly here. I made some top and bottom pieces to complement and to picture frame in the panel tapered legs. So we'll be gluing that up next over there on the wood table. So thanks for coming to the shop. Take care. Subscribe if you like what you see. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the bell. You'll get notifications that we just uploaded a video such as this, refinishing your woodshop table, your bench. Beautiful, my friends.